Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today I wanted to share a new favorite of our family. We are going to be making herb garden chicken. This meal is super simple, healthy, and so delicious. And this meal is so simple that you will only have to wash one pan. This is a sheet pan meal. So the chicken will be roasted with vegetables that have been tossed in sunflower oil and a pile of herbs. So you can tiptoe through the garden and gather all of your ingredients. It's so delicious. Now it's time to gather all of your ingredients. First, you'll need to gather your herbs. You'll need basil, dill, parsley, rosemary, and thyme. And grab as much as you can. This will make your dish taste amazing. You will also need a lot of garlic. This garlic we harvested from our garden recently, and you will need 2 cloves of garlic for your green sauce and 6 cloves of garlic to roast on your sheet pan, along with all of your other vegetables. We also used 2 leeks, 2 baby leeks, and if you want, you could probably just, if you're buying it, you could probably just buy one big leek. We also found as many little tomatoes as possible. So I would say a handful of tomatoes for this dish. You'll also need 1 zucchini and 6 red potatoes. You will also need 1 onion and half a cup of sunflower oil and 2 chicken breasts. This sheet pan meal will feed about 4 people. First, we'll want to make our green sauce. You'll want to add half a cup of sunflower oil to your blender. And then you'll want to add the pile of herbs. And don't forget the garlic. I did. 2 cloves of garlic. And then you'll need 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And then blend it up. If you're looking to buy a new blender, I would recommend a Vitamix. You will never be disappointed. And there you go, our green sauce. Really, it's our herb sauce. But now you want to drizzle a little bit onto the sheet pan. And you'll be tossing your potatoes in it. So add your sliced potatoes to your sheet pan and then mix them around. And make sure they are coated. And next, make sure your oven is preheated to 450 degrees. And you can get all of your other ingredients ready. You will be slicing your onion, chopping up your leek into bigger pieces, sprinkling them on the sheet pan, and then tossing it around in the green sauce. You will want to place your potatoes and onions in the oven while you prep your chicken. So they'll be in there for just a couple minutes. And now grab your chicken breast and cut them into little pieces like this and drizzle on some of that green sauce. And toss it around. Make sure that chicken breast is coated also. And next you'll be adding your chicken breast to the sheet pan. And now add in 6 cloves of garlic. This garlic will roast along with all of your vegetables and chicken. Roasted garlic is so delicious. And also drizzle on some of that yummy green sauce. And then place it in your oven at 450 degrees. Just enough time to prep your zucchini and get your tomatoes ready. Now drizzle on some of that green sauce on your zucchini and toss it around. And then you'll be adding it to your sheet pan. And now add in your tomatoes. And lastly, drizzle on some of that yummy green sauce. And that's it. It is officially ready for the oven. Make sure your oven is still at 450 degrees. And this meal needs to cook for about 40 to 45 minutes. So at about 20 minutes, you'll want to take it out and check it and see if it's almost done. But if you like your potatoes nice and crispy, you'll want to stick it back in the oven for another 20 minutes. Your house is going to smell amazing. These roasted vegetables with the roasted garlic and chicken with the herbs and the sunflower oil is so delicious and it smells amazing. And now you're gonna finally be able to taste this delicious meal. So grab a plate and start dishing it up. And then you'll be drizzling on some of that yummy green sauce over the top. And if you really want to make it look fancy, add a couple sprigs of dill on top. This dish is going to taste like you went to a restaurant. It's so beautiful and it's going to taste amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this easy recipe. This recipe is perfect for the summer months when you can tiptoe through the garden and gather your ingredients. Please give us a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.